This is what we do after the EcoHero shows. At our Airbnb here in Antioch, we've stayed here 3 times at least. We love the house, love the... This is Charlie. This is Puppy. This is Amadeus. He's a little too close to my pillow. Miss Eco let him on the bed. We're at Turner Elementary School, first show of the new school year. I'm excited because I've been here before. Everybody say hi! They couldn't hear. I'm excited. Great new year of schools. Miss Eco and I are ready rocking it, and you're gonna meet some sidekicks that we're training as well. I performed here, I think spring of the prior year, not this last year, but the one before. I had some familiar faces, great dancing, great singing, the teachers were awesome, great meeting. This is Luke, you do the start. This is my man! It was awesome. Yeah! Where are we at right now? Where are we at? It's Friday of our first week of shows. We're getting ready. We're at Changemakers Academy in Vallejo, which is one of the most refreshing schools I've ever been in. It's a new building. All of the teachers are outside saying hello as the kids come in. They start the day for the first 30 minutes in a group circle with one question, like super emotional intelligence, right? Today, we're gonna be seeing some sidekicks performing, teaching the songs. They're in training. I'm gonna introduce you to them right now. All days lead to the ocean.
You must be cray, waste money away, drink every day like a baby.
Yeah! Mommy, I can do my part. I can do my part.
Little bug, go crazy. Don't be a little bug. See, little.
I'm not gonna the rock. EcoHero symbol. Alright, we just got done with 2 shows. We had our first 2 school day.
Hi.
EcoHero, say hi. Oh, she's struggling with the speaker. Struggling. Okay, so we're gonna go help her in a second. No, she's got it. But yeah, we are at a school in Santa Fe Springs right now. West Covina this morning. So had a great first couple schools back for the school year. We're gonna perform in a ton this school year, and I look forward to seeing you all in more videos. We'll be vlogging each week. EcoHeroes on 3. EcoHeroes on 3. 1, 2, 3. EcoHero! Deuces.